Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use circular needles for knitting. Circular needles are incredibly versatile tools, featuring two needle tips joined by a flexible cable. This design allows you to knit seamlessly in the round, perfect for projects like cozy hats, socks, or even entire sweaters without any seams. They also excel at holding a large number of stitches, making them ideal for wide, flat projects like blankets, and often reduce strain on your hands compared to straight needles. Once you have your circular needles, the first step is casting on your stitches. Cast them onto one needle tip, just as you would with straight needles. Before joining, carefully spread your stitches along the cable and ensure they are not twisted. This is crucial for a seamless project. Then, join the first and last stitch to form a continuous circle. Always place a stitch marker on your right-hand needle to clearly mark the start of each new round. Now for the knitting itself. Hold the needle with your working yarn in your right hand. Knit into the first stitch on your left-hand needle, just as you would for a flat piece. Continue knitting each stitch around the entire circle. When you reach your stitch marker, you have completed one full round. Simply slip the marker from the left needle to the right needle and begin your next round. It's a continuous, rhythmic process. Circular needles offer even more versatility. For very small circumferences, like socks or sleeves, the magic loop method allows you to use a long cable by pulling a loop of cable out between stitches. You can also use two circular needles to knit two items at once, or simply to hold stitches for a project. Remember to select a cable length that is slightly shorter than your project's circumference for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.